Hello, my name is Fraser J. Osidimal from Grade 8 Titus. Today I'll be teaching you about triangle congruence. But before that, I will teach you the different classifications of a triangle and the properties of congruence. As you can see, these are the different classifications of a triangle. Keep this in mind. And here are the properties of congruence. Now that you know what the properties of congruence is and the classifications of a triangle, I will now teach you about triangle congruence. Triangles are congruent if their parts can be paired so that the corresponding sides and corresponding angles are congruent. Here's an example of a congruent triangle.
Do you see those lines on the side? They indicate the value of a side. If two lines are both the same, for example in this photo, both three sides are the same, this means that they are congruent. And now, I will teach you how to list congruent angles and sides. This is an example of how you should list congruent angles and sides. As you can see, side IR and side CS are paired together because they are congruent. They're congruent horizontally. And you're probably wondering, why is CS not SC? It will depend on how you list it. If you went with CS first, then IR would become RI. This applies for all sides when listing their congruency. Here, side IS and CR are congruent vertically, and side SR and RS are congruent diagonally. Now, I'll be showing you how to pair angles. Pairing angles is simple. As you can see, angle SRI and RCS are paired. The rule in pairing angles is just to not repeat the first side in the angle, and just make sure it forms an angle too. Here, angle RSI is paired together with angle SRC, and angle I is paired with angle C. That is all. Thank you for listening.